Introducing the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester with motor-driven loader from Flexible Assembly Systems. This cutting-edge solution is engineered to verify the accuracy and performance of your torque wrenches, streamlining your quality control processes. Covering a wide torque range from 5 to 50 Nm, this tester accommodates various applications, ensuring comprehensive testing capabilities for your torque wrenches. The motor-driven loader automates the loading and unloading of torque wrenches, enhancing productivity and reducing manual effort during testing. With an accuracy of 1%, this tester provides reliable and precise measurements, giving you confidence in the performance of your torque wrenches. A clear and intuitive digital display simplifies operation and allows for easy reading of test results, minimizing errors and facilitating data interpretation. Designed with a compact footprint, the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester is space-efficient and portable, making it ideal for various work environments. Elevate your torque wrench testing capabilities with the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester with motor-driven loader. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals. Invest in this advanced tester and ensure the reliability and precision of your torque wrenches.